This video is aimed at professional service technicians and users proficient with mechanical and electrical repairs. Thoroughly test after any repair work. Hi, in this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the air coupler on your float if you need to clean it or replace for a new one. For this job, you'll need a 22mm spanner with narrow head, Loctite SI 5331 silicone thread locker, and a small bottle brush. Loosen the coupler using the 22mm spanner in counterclockwise direction and unscrew it by hand. Clean the residues of the old silicone thread locker with the brush. Apply a little bit of Loctite silicone thread locker on the threads of the coupler, just about half a turn. Like so. Screw the coupler in by hand and carefully tighten with the spanner. But do not over-tighten the gasket to a point that it would bulge. This is how it should look like.